Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. We are doing block 23 elections beta. I have completed your workbook S1. We have completed S1, S2, S3 and S4 in our workbook. Today we are going to write our classwork. Let us take questions first in your reader. Take out your reader beta. See beta, how you will write your classwork? First you will write name of the lesson. Then you will write this keywords. These are only your keywords and your glossaries beta. 6 keywords and glossaries you have. Then next, page number 146, you have your true or false. First bit keywords, second bit glossaries, third bit true or false. Write here true or false with the help of pencil beta in your reader. A king is elected by the people. False. Election is a way to choose. Sorry children. Election is a way to choose men and women who can lead us. True. Every person can vote in an election. True. Secret ballot is a way to vote by saying the name of the candidate aloud. False. You can't say the name of the candidate loudly. The person who gets the most vote in an election is the winner. True. Now you have here 8 question and answers and all are important, so that you should know. It is very important to know about election children. They are helpful and useful to you in your future. See here, what is election? From how long has it been practiced? Cut second one and write first one. Next, what are election? Why are election important? Cut third one and write second one. Next, cut fourth one and write third one. Why do we vote by secret ballot? Cut fifth one and write fourth one. Why should not be a basic to judge a candidate for election and why? Basis to judge the candidate. What should not be a basis to judge the candidate in election and why? Next, cut sixth one and write fifth one. What qualities would you like in a leader and why? Next, cut sixth one. Cut seventh one and write sixth one. How is an elected leader different from one who has been elected by the people? Next, cut eighth one and write seventh one. How can we know if a person has the qualities of a leader? Cut ninth one and write eighth one. Voting in an election is our duty and why? You have total 8 question and answers. Hope it is very clear. See beta, now answer. What is election? From how long has it been practiced? And see first point, an election is a way of choosing someone who can represent us or lead us. In election we can choose someone by voting. Elections have been practiced since the 8th century BC in ancient Greek and Rome. They continue to exist today. This is your answer. It is very clear. Next, what are elections? Why are elections important? Elections are important because it allows us to choose our leader by voting. People can vote for someone they like and make him or her leader in an election. There are 2 question and answers here. See, they are very clear. See beta, next one. Third one, why do we vote by secret ballot? Sometimes people can be forced to vote for someone. Voting by secret ballot helps to choose candidate without any fear for being forced by others to vote for a certain candidate. Next beta, fourth one. What should not be a basis to judge a candidate for election and why? Sometimes people may choose a candidate based on their things like religion, what community a person is from, whether a person is a man or woman, or rich or poor. This may not be a good idea because these things does not tell us if the person is actually hardworking, honest and decided to serve the people. This is your fourth answer. See, you can see third answer, very clear. Fourth answer is clear. Next is your fifth one. What qualities would you like in a leader and why? What qualities would you like in a leader and why? The qualities I would like in a leader are, person should be, now you write this answer with your own beta. Honest, hardworking, any 2 words, 2 points you can write. How a leader should be, how you feel you write there. To serve people, capable and disciplined. Next is your sixth one. How is an elected leader different from one who has not been elected by the people? See beta this answer. Elected person are expected to be responsible to the people who have been elected them. Second point, they are likely to work to help the people who brought them in the power by force. Third point, in an election, every common people can aim to become leader. Unlike king, where the power to rule the people lie within the royal family and it okay beta, where I was reading, continue now. Okay, this answer is completed. Sixth answer. See, fifth answer is very clear. Sixth answer is very clear. Next, seventh answer. See beta, how can we know if a person has the qualities of a leader? See here, what is your seventh one? How can we know if a person has the qualities of a leader? See, seventh answer. Different people have different ways of finding out the qualities of a leader. Here, ways, it is there here. Ways of finding out the qualities of a leader. Sometimes they decided on the basis of the behavior or character of the person. Sometimes they decide on the basis of the character or behavior of a person. Okay, here point is repeating again and again. You don't write from here. Don't write the second point. Only you write this first point. Different people have different ways of finding out the qualities of a leader. Sometimes they decide on the basis of the behavior or character of the person. Next point, you write this. They could look at the past record of the person to see if he or she did anything that might could harm us. For third point, this is your second point, this is your third point. One way to choose a candidate is to judge if the person is honest, hardworking, capable, and can work for the people. See beta here. In the seventh answer, this is your first point. Second point, this is your second point beta. And third point, total 3 points. Next, eighth answer is the last answer. Voting in an election is our duty. Why? See here, voting in an election is our duty because when we vote, we are able to choose leader based on the quality that we like to see in a leader. Second point, if we do not vote, anybody could declare himself or herself to be a leader. He or she may not do things for the good for the people. Therefore, it is our duty to vote and choose a good leader who can lead us. This is your eighth answer. Hope you all understood better. Complete this better. Total 8 answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.